Welcome all of you. My seminar on micropropagation and phytochemical study on Pagonia indica by PhD student Abdurrahman Ismail Basha under coordinator Dr. Dahabi, Professor and Head Department of Botany, Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar Malhwada University, Aurangabad. Now, what is the research problem and how we can solve? The research problem that the Pagonia indica is very important medicine plant. It is employed in folk medicine. Historically, it has been used as tea or decoction for the treatment of many diseases. Currently, Pagonia indica is used for treating cancer, especially breast cancer in its early stages, and applied as a tonic in liver disorders as well as skin disease. Now, Pagonia indica is unreliable for germination. This one problem and main problem. And second problem, Pagonia indica has been harvesting unfairly. Therefore, the process of reproduction and speed decreases day by day. So, in vitro culture promise to deal with these limitations as they are independent of season and geography. Especially cell culture promise sustainable, uniform and homogeneous production of secondary metabolites. The present work was aimed to devise various strategies to obtain secondary metabolism components through the establishment of the feasible cell culture of Pagonia indica. The following experiments were performed of setting up in vitro culture of Pagonia indica. A working approach in vitro culture to produce further culture. We have many stages to perform the study. First of all, seeds of Pagonia indica were planted. Second step, the cotyledons and other part plant were taken as explant and sterilized with 70% ethanol for 2 minutes, followed by 0.1 mercury chloride in 1 minute as a disinfection treatment. Then the explants were inoculated in MS media, which have a several concentration of the different hormones in order to obtain maximum of callus mix. Finally, the obtained callus was split to small segments, approximately 5 millicentimeter by 5 millicentimeter, a small segment, and made subculture from it in order to obtain a somatic embryogenesis. By this way, regenerated plantlet were obtained. This is a plantlet in vitro and obtained from colors. So this strategy is a best strategy obtained in study. After analyze data, effect of different concentration of auxin and in combination with the cytokinin of callus induction from cotyledons explant of Pagnonia indica, we have many hormones, PAP, TOP4D, IAA, and AA. So there is a many concentration. We have the best concentration is 5 micromole of benzyl aminopurine and 2.5 is mistake here, 2.5 to 4D hormones in combination with the benzyl aminopurine. Where in this way, in this treatment, the maximum callus and growth is obtained in high level, and the ratio of explant induction callus 100%. Second thing is benzyl aminopurine without any combination with any hormone is a second good result. Then conclusion, callus from cotyledons was achieved with 5 micromole of benzyl aminopurine without any composition. After 6-7 weeks, developed callus were transferred to another medium for somatic embryogenesis. Various concentrations of benzyl aminopurine and 2,4-D were found potential of the induction of callus. A suitable protocol was established for in vitro production of Pagnonia indica. Thank you. This is the final. Thank you for all of you. Thank you for all team that spend a variable time to success 3 PhD course. And once again, thank you all of you.